Coming in with my large brisket. Now I'm just gonna fill this in with some baby carrots. Perfect. Oh, I'm loving the color combination in here already. Such healthy, delicious deliciousness. I'm gonna put in some baby potatoes. Now I did wash these. Obviously this is a netted bag and you can wash them right inside. Perfect. And now we're coming in with just a little bit of celery, roughly chopped. Yum. All right, I'm using some minced garlic, done the easy way. We wanna get the equivalent of a couple of cloves in here. Perfect, I love garlic. And I've got this little seasoning packet. Now this came with my brisket because we're doing sort of a corned beef situation here. So this is mustard seed, dill seed, bay leaves, peppercorns, just all the yummy, yummy goodness. Allspice and chili flakes. I'm gonna put another little bay leaf right on top. I'm just gonna pour in about 2.5 or 3 cups of water because that's gonna help all of this flavor combine. It's gonna help our brisket cook perfectly. Let me see where we're at there. Okay, we can definitely do at least one more half a cup here. I had 3 cups in there. You know what? I'm adding it all. Perfect. Alrighty, guys. I'm just putting my lid onto my crock pot and I am gonna let this cook for 8 hours on high. Alrighty, y'all. It's been about 5 hours. So I think I said 10 hours on high earlier, but I meant 10 hours on low, but we did 5 hours on high because we're hungry. Check this out. Okay, the meat, you could also use red cabbage, we found, to dye Easter eggs because it's dyed our meat a little bit of a color here, but it doesn't affect the taste. All right, I'm gonna have to slice into our corned beef here. Marty said it wasn't quite ready to shred, but like I said, we're hungry, so we're going for it. I mean, it feels pretty tender. Looking good.
Looks perfect, actually.
Yeah. How can you tell with the red color, Marty? And I was saying to Marty,
everything we do is perfect.
You're right, baby. And I was saying to Marty that, you know, the seasoning packet it came with was kind of small. I think I should have added some more seasoning ahead of time, but that's okay. We're gonna season it on the plate, season it to our liking. And next time I will definitely, Marty had out some brisket rub that I think would be really good in here too. Look at me just trying to spear individual vegetables. You know how I do, honey.
Pick the right one.
Oh. Excellent. Excellent stuff. Okay. I'm going to, whoa, sorry to put that so close to you. Salt. I'm using a little salt on mine. A little bit of pepper. All right, I'm running out of space here. Cut into our corned beef. Corned beef, the Irish version of brisket. Okay, the texture's great. I could have seasoned it more up the top, but guys, it's pretty delicious. Really. Crock pot corned beef, y'all. You gotta try it.